Let's start 2025 with another hard-off video, this time north of central Tokyo. An hour of trains and a bus would get me to hard-off Soka Nishi in Kawaguchi, Saitama. Or, since I missed the bus, how about a friendly taxi ride? Almost there. Okay, first hard-off of 2025. Hopefully I'll get to stop by a lot more. It's always fun walking in and checking out the aisles of stuff, even if it's not MD related. Sometimes in the audio section you'll see some portable MDs, but no luck this time. A lot of nice Sony PSPs though. Here in the junk section you'll see various bins. Sometimes the media or audio bins can have MD parts and discs. That's MO, but not MD. Some digging is definitely necessary. Here we got a few new Sony discs, but nothing too interesting or special. And that was it for the bins, 3 MDs. If you're looking for a deck or shelf system, that'd be down this aisle. Nice Sony NAS unit. And this looks like MD, but it's not. Wait a sec, what's this? Ah, the Sony CMT C7NT you may have seen in my videos with the light-up speakers. 4,000 yen for the whole set is a steal, with remote. It says the MD didn't work or eject, but we fixed that twice. A nice compact NetMD system. Here's some other full-size decks. This Tascam MD301. And this lovely gold TIAC MD5. This one can use a keyboard to enter track info. Overall, this was a nice trip, especially for decks, but no portables in sight. As I was leaving, I was surprised there weren't a lot of MiniDiscs, but by the checkout, plenty of sealed discs from TDK and Maxell. I didn't pick up anything today, but this was a nice hard-off. I'm still thinking about picking up that Sony CMT C7NT. As always, thanks for watching.